If you're looking for the best speed bag swivel, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Everlast Professional Speed Bag Swivel. The Everlast Professional Speed Bag Swivel is a major upgrade from the brand's basic swivels. It really gives you a long list of reasons why it's the best one around. The basic Everlast swivels comes as a package when you buy their punching bag stand with speed bag. As far as quality goes though, the basic Everlast swivel that comes on their punching bag stand with speed bag setup is light years behind their professional swivel here. Trust me, this is quite the difference. This swivel isn't made with just the usual stainless steel. It's machine crafted to boost durability and ensure a long lifetime. With its sealed ball bearings, this swivel produces smooth and accurate returns. Although it failed to address the sliding issue most shoe hooks have, the speed bag still has a tendency to slide, and that can really affect the equipment's overall performance. Don't worry, that's not anything a little duct tape can't fix. This swivel is guaranteed to give you your money's worth. It comes with all the standard speed bag swivel parts and accessories like washers, screws, and everything that you'll need to set up your speed bag swivel mount. You can set this up less than 10 minutes provided you got everything right and followed the instructions correctly. Overall, this swivel is still the most worth it. With a low price like that despite the long list of advantages, you can be sure you're not going to regret getting it. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Everlast Speed Bag 96. Can any boxing equipment list go without Everlast? Certainly not this one. This speed bag comes in a 9.6 inches. The medium size can be too small for adult boxers. This is an inflatable type of bag, which comes with the usual downside all inflatable products have. They deflate, and this one is no exception. It deflates quite often. You will not need much time to get it back to normal condition, but it sure is annoying. Also, this product isn't very durable. Not only does it lose air very fast, and too often, the stitching on the bag and the bladder can open up after a few weeks of usage. The balance is also a bit off. I wouldn't recommend it to adults or even teenagers who are into boxing. It can be a good choice for beginners and kids, but I have warned you that it probably won't last too long. The number 3 position is held by TIT LE Boxing Gyro Balance Speed Bag. The title, yeah, that's the name of the company boasts about balanced construction and high quality of this bag. It is an inflatable bag made from leather shell. It comes unfilled when you buy it and without any additional accessories. You can use an electric or handheld pump to fill it to your liking. After you pump it with air, you just have to set it up, and the bag will be ready for your training. This bag comes in 3 sizes, XXS, M and L. The larger the size, the more difficult it is to train with. I would recommend bigger ones for beginners since they move slower than the smaller bags. M size would be perfect for boxing enthusiasts to train their hand-eye coordination, speed, and reflexes. The quality of the bag is pretty high so that it will last through many months of constant punches. Be wary that this bag will lose air occasionally because of the unfortunate design of the inflation hole. You will have to inflate it once in a while, which can be annoying. Next at number 4 we have Pro Impact Speed Bag Black. This and next products from Pro Impact are connected. You will soon know why. This speed bag is made from top-rate leather shell and heavy-duty latex bladder. It has a nice pearl shape and provides easier targeting, more accurate punches, and fruitful exercises. The product doesn't come with any additional equipment for hanging or air pumping, so you'll have to buy them separately. As with all speed bags, the smaller the size, the more professional you have to be. This bag is good for beginners. The material and construction are good. The price for the product of this quality is also fair. Since this product is inflatable, you can expect standard issues, deflation, and leakages. It is not for commercial use, that's for sure. It is very well suited to use at home. I also advise you to deflate this bag after exercise if you train outdoors. If you let it lay outside fully inflated, especially during the heat, the bladder can lose its retention. The number 5 position is held by Pro Impact Boxing Speed Bag Replacement Bladders Regular Speed Bags. In case you are being too hard with your strikes or don't skip a single training session, any bag you own can break. Don't worry if you accidentally demolish your accessories. After all, it can be a sign of an increasing skill. If you have a Pro Impact speed bag, then it is no problem. With this product, you can replace the bladder for your double end or regular speed bag in a matter of minutes. This replacement bladder is made from heavy-duty latex. It takes the shape of your bag once inflated, which makes it a perfect and easy replacement. The product comes in a variety of sizes to fit nearly all possible speed bags, though it will constantly lose some air, so be ready to inflate it from time to time. Also, if you don't own a Pro Impact bag, this bladder might not fit your speed bag perfectly. The number 6 position is dominated by double end striking bag. This is the first double-ended bag on this list. Unlike standard hanging or speed bags, this one must be mounted from 2 sides. You have to mount it to both ceiling and floor. In theory, it allows for better stability and more bounce of the bag, thus helping you to increase your rhythm, accuracy, and timing even better. This may be true with a good bag. However, this Everlast product leaves a lot to be desired. The product comes with 2 bungees. Each is about 40 cm, 15 inches long. Sadly, they are not adjustable and don't rebound well. Many customers report that their bungees tore almost immediately. The bag is inflated, so you'll have to buy a pump additionally in order to pump some air in it. The construction also feels and looks cheap. Affordability remains one true plus of this product. The bag itself tends to break and tear very easily. Moving on to the next, at number 7 with RDX Speedball Boxing Genuine Leather MMA Muay Thai Training Punching Dodge Striking Bag Kit. RDX's speed bag has a perfectly balanced shape for better rebound accuracy. The construction is top-notch. The bag itself is made out of cowhide leather. It is lined with polycon material for better durability. It also comes with a stainless steel swivel to help you mount it to the ceiling. The bag is tough and durable. The bladder doesn't leak as much air as we've used to in other inflated bags. I don't say that you will not pump air in it occasionally. I only say that you'll be doing it less often. The rebound of the bag is great. The only downsides I can think of are the knot at the top of the product. It can come undone, which is a problem. The swivel that comes with the RDX Speedball is also low quality. I recommend you buying any other swivel and attaching the bag to it instead. www.amazon.com/RDX Training Punching Striking Speedball/DP/Bone Miafo Ufer. The number 8 position is held by Ringside Boxing Speed Bag. Ringside's bag looks and feels expensive. It is made from durable leather and reinforced with triple stitch seams. The bag comes in 4 sizes, and you already know the drill. The smaller the bag, the harder it is to train with it. The manufacturer boasts about the bladder in this thing. It is made from latex rubber. Even Ringside itself says that the air will leak out of this speed bag after each training session. Yet, they insist that later bladder is a way to go since it provides the quickest rebound. In practice, this bag will leak all the time. I can assure you that it is annoying beyond belief to pump the bag constantly after every session. It is also a little slow on the rebound, so you'll have to hit it a little harder for it to gain traction. The product doesn't come with additional accessories that you'll need to mount it to the ceiling. The price is also not very low, so you can't call this a low budget bag. Overall, I think the problem with air leaking is the deciding factor. Do you need a bag that will deflate every day? Personally, I recommend looking at the other options. Next at number 9, we have Cledo Ray Speed Bag. I can say right from the beginning that the high price tag of this speed bag is justified. This bag is made from nylon lining and head leather. The good shape of the bag makes training a joy for any boxer. It has a very good rebound and a nice bounce. The product comes in 3 sizes, yet I recommend buying the medium size. It is an overall better balanced experience. It doesn't feel too light like other speed bags tend to. Because of the high-quality materials used in its construction, it will be durable and long-lasting. The bladder will leak some air, though. I think this is a norm these days, and though it is frustrating to pump your bag every once in a while, this one seems to hold air just alright, so you don't have to inflate it after every training session. This product doesn't come with a pump or any other accessories to install it, though, so you will have to buy them separately. Yet, this bag comes with an additional bladder in case your first one breaks. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Max MMA Speed Bag Type Roman 2. Max MMA is oriented on mixed martial arts training accessories. This bag is a good size, balanced for quick strikes, and good rebounds. It's large, though, so it is not the best choice for professional boxers who want to truly improve their reflexes and eye-to-hand coordination. The shell is made from premium synthetic leather, and the bladder is made from rubber. It also comes with a hand pump with a needle to help you with inflating the bag. The downsides are quite standard for inexpensive speed bags. It leaks air quite badly. The product also looks quite cheap. The stitching leaves a lot to be desired as well. The bag can open up after a few months of use. It is an okay bag for its price, considering all the pros and cons. But it's your choice if you want to find a genuinely high-quality speed bag or just settle for the mediocre. That's all for today. We upload fitness product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.